Example: piece of paper, piece of stone, etc. Formulae to calculate area. Rectangle. Area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. A equals to L into B. Square. Area of square equals to length square. A equals to L square. Circle. Area of circle equals to pi r square, where pi equals to 22 by 7. Calculation of area. If a rectangular field is 7 meter long and 5 meter wide, then find the area of field. Solution. Length of the field L equals to 7 meter. Breadth of the field B equals to 5 meter. Area of the field A equals to what? According to formula, A equals to L into B equals to 7 meter into 5 meter equals to 35 meter square. 35 square meter. Therefore, the area of the field is 35 square meter. Area of irregular object. Irregular surface has no fixed formula for calculation of its area. Area of irregular surface is calculated by A. Tracing the shape of object in squared paper. B. Counting the number of squares. Counting technique. Each full square is counted 1. Half square is counted 0.5. More than half square is counted 1. And less than half is neglected. Solution. Full squares equals to 28. More than half square equals to 12. Half square equals to 6. Total area equals to 28 plus 12 plus 6 upon 2 equals to 43 square centimeter. Volume. The total space occupied by an object is called volume. It is denoted by capital V. Its unit is cubic meter, m cube. Measurement of volume of liquid. The volume of liquid is measured in liters. It is measured by measuring cylinder. 1 cubic meter equals to 1000 liters. One liter equals to 1000 milliliter. 1 milliliter equals to 1 cm cube. 1 cubic centimeter cc. Convex surface and concave surface of liquid. The surface of liquid curved outside is called convex surface of liquid. The surface of liquid curved inside is called concave surface of liquid. Volume formulae. Volume of regular solid object is calculated by using formulae. Volume of rectangular object equals to length into breadth into height. Therefore, V equals to L into B into S. Volume of cube equals to length cube. Therefore, V equals to L cube. Volume of sphere 1 by 4 pi radius cube. Therefore, V equals to 1 by 4 pi r cube. Volume of irregular object. Volume of irregular object is calculated by using measuring cylinder. Volume of irregular object equals to V2 minus V1. Solution. Initial reading V1 equals to 250 cubic centimeter. Final reading V2 equals to 350 cubic centimeter. Volume of stone V equals to V2 minus V1 equals to 350 cubic centimeter minus 250 cubic centimeter equals to 100 cubic centimeter.